we want to look at how to make this 8-sided star. It is seen in a lot of places. I see it in Ukrainian pisanki art where they decorate eggs. In Ukrainian, it's called the Ruzha, which is the rosette or the rose, and it represents sun or life or eternity. But you also see the pattern in Native American quilts. Tribes like the Lakota, it represents the morning star, guidance, or honor. And so I'm going to take a look at how to freehand it, and then we could show you how to do it with a compass. So to freehand it, you could still use a compass to make things even. So you want even amounts. So, right, if we're going to freehand it, we typically won't draw a circle, but we're going to draw like a plus sign. And the idea is going to be that this, and this are all the same length, more or less. Then we're going to make the diagonals. So now we have freehanded 8 sides. And you see this wheel in cultures as well, as I've seen it in Ukrainian springtime celebrations. They make a wheel like this. Now we're going to go up. And we kind of want the same amount. And when we go up and down like that, it kind of looks like a spider to me. Now we're going to make a right angle and go to the left and to the right here. And so if you do want to make it more precise, like we said, you want to measure it. So what we're going to now do is we're going to connect it to the ones touching the circle. So here to here, here to here. And so you see the 8 rhombuses, the 8 rhombi. And I recently learned that a rhombus was Greek for a top, because if you take it and spin it, it makes a top. It could spin around like a top. So the properties of a rhombus are that all the sides are equal. So these, and these are equal, which is why, you could use a piece of string or something to measure, even though you're doing it freehand. So let's see how well we could do it freehand just by eyeballing it. So we do a plus sign and then draw the diagonals. We're going to go up. I think those are a little bit too long. And then we're going to go to the right and left. And when we do that, it looks to me sometimes like a little snowflake. And now we're going to close it off here. And what we can add to it is another layer. We can make little pointy tips along the outside. Make it a little bit 3D. So it's something you can color and you could do for fun or doodle in your notebook.